Alright folks, here we are cooking red chili and garlic sauce with the one and only Chef Gabe. Okay, you wash the pan. In the outside dirty kitchen.
I think I'm the person who's gonna use this pan.
Okay.
It's still brand new.
Well, just do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tik naman na yun.
Ano po?
Tik. Kahit yan ang hindi pa. Ispas na nga itong mabuti. Hindi, naka-open na yan. Sige, ikon mo lang. Ikon mo lang. Yan.
Low fire only.
Canola, that's Golden Fiesta.
What?
No, the brand is Golden Fiesta. Paano nga ito?
Mayroon dito pati yung isa. Design. Ay, anak na ba? Hindi pa. Oh. The garlic, lots of garlic.
Put half a liter of oil.
Wow.
Cooking garlic chili with Gab.
It's my episode today. Let's put the chili so they won't get burnt.
The chili.
Yeah.
So you already cut the chili.
Yeah.
Ay.
Make sure your cutting board was used as a paint board first.
What? Andrew? Garlic.
There's more.
The food processor is not working.
She needs to go faster.
Yeah.
Let's see how you do this with the bag. This is specialty right here.
That's the special technique of Ate Josie.
It's unique specialty. And I even brought a mallet so she can do the garlic, but she don't use it.
No, Uncle. Ibalat pa. Susunog.
Get the peels. They fry up nice.
I'll remove the skins.
Now you gotta stir it, right?
Yeah. And wait for it to boil later. Then we will put some salt and peppers.
Let it boil so it releases the goodness.
Yeah. Wait, Uncle. I will think what I will say because I might choppy. We're gonna let it evaporate so that when we store it, it will last longer. so the chilies and the garlic will be dry.
Okay, it's boiling.
We put some salt and pepper.
What is that?
Salt. We put salt. I'm looking for the peppers. Fine ground black pepper. Mhm.
About that much? Is that like a tablespoon, a teaspoon, or a no spoon?
Is that a half spoonful?
It's a gab spoon.
Then we wait again.
And then we wait again. And what are we waiting for this time?
We wait for the color to change.
Okay,
It should be a
Red.
redder one.
okay.
I'm gonna do a vlog takeover now because the chili is ready for the vinegar. Wait. Yeah, there you go. We will put vinegar for it to last longer for preservative purposes. Just a bit. Oh, puti pong. For now, do not mix it. Let's wait for it to calm down. Because if you mix it, there's a bad taste of vinegar and you need to make it evaporated so it won't mix in the chilies. It will just take for a couple of minutes, then you can stir it. Now 2 minutes is gone. You can now stir it up. We will put brown sugar, just 2 tablespoons or 1.5, depends on your taste. Oh, disclaimer, it's already clean. One tablespoon on the go. Oops. So I need to get another one. Another half. And mix it up. You see, the oil is already dark. For now, let's let's wait for the sugar to be mixed in, and it will be done. So nice. Now it's all done. Let's turn off the fire and let's rest it. I hope Uncle will like it. Peace. Now it's all done, guys. Look at that. The oil is not redder, but it became dark. It smells so good.
It's hard to see. Yeah. Just let it rest and then bottle it.
Yes.
Okay, now that it's cooked, just let it
Rest.
rest.
Then we can eat it later. Shush! No, Uncle, what
That's
you-
gonna be hot.
Shush!
What?
Shush!
I don't know if you'll trust a cook that acts like that, but hey, we can give it a shot. Go this side. There you go. How about this? Try this first.
Yeah. We should have a funnel.
We don't need no funnel. We're professionals.
Just do what you.
Shoot from the hip
Yeah.
and watch the hip bone. That's pretty thick. You gonna put some juice?
Yeah. Let's put it up.
That's the best part.
Yeah. We don't have ladle. Is it good now, Uncle?
Yep. We have a towel. Paper towel.
Don't rub your eyes.
Oh, don't scratch your butt.
Make sure
That's
you
it.
do first.
That's it.
That's it. You can now order to us. Just check out Tostitos.